Welcome to Tech Tip Tuesday. Today we're going to talk about PMCS for the Space Heater Convective, or SHC. Occasionally, you're going to need to clean the burner on your SHC. Here is a method that makes it a snap. To clean the burner, we're going to remove the entire burner TEG and heat exchanger assembly. Tag and disconnect the wires from the burner and TEG. Remove the fuel line and air tube. Remove the 3 nuts and remove the burner head. Make sure not to separate the wick assembly and burner cap. Clean the burner with a brush. Chip away any hard deposits with a screwdriver. Inspect the wick vaporizer assembly for signs of wear or degradation. Replace if necessary. Inspect cardboard gasket and wick. When you reassemble the heater, ensure the holes of the backplate are aligned with the insulation. Also, ensure the star washer is under the grounding lug, otherwise you will get a fault code 5. By the way, did you know that you can get mission-critical parts in our FMC packs? This will get you out of trouble should you need a part in the field. We have Level 1 and Level 2 FMC packs that contain the parts you need. And that's it. And that wraps up today's installment of Tech Tip Tuesday. We hope you found it helpful. Look for more tech tips on all HDT products.